Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 23. And among the Rudras I am Shankara, among the Yakshas and Rakshasas I am the Lord of Wealth, Kubera. Among the Vasus I am Pavaka, Agni, and among the mountains I am the Miru.
Chapter 10, Shloka 23. Rudranam sankarashchasmi vittesho yaksharakshasam vasunam pavakashchasmi meru shikarinam aham.
Chapter 10, Shloka 23. Of Rudras I am Shankara. A team of deities of destruction are known as Rudras in Vedic belief. Destruction means constructive destruction. When a bridge becomes old, it has to be removed to make room for a new bridge in its place. Thus, in every progress, there is a continuous stream of destruction. Shankara was the subtlest among thinkers and hence respected and adored as the deity of creative destruction. I am the treasurer of wealth among the Yakshas and Rakshasas, Kubera, the chief of the exchequer in the heavens, as described in the Puranas, is helped by Yakshasas and Rakshasas, all ugly creatures, short and big-bellied with small hands. The ancient rishis were against aggrandizement and hence they cartooned the master of wealth as ugly and fearful. Of the Vasus, I am the Pavaka. Vasus are the presiding deities of the 8 seasons. The self is the very source from which we gain all the experiences of all seasons. We get 6 seasons from the world outside, and the mind supplies joy and sorrow, the two within. Since mind is subtler than the gross outside, during a sorrowful mood, even the thing or spring flowers shed tears for us. Therefore, all seasons are experienced by us when we are under the grace of the self. Of the peaks, I am Meru. Meru is mythological mountain believed to be the center of the universe. On top of it lives the divine, and below it are scattered the 7 islands which constitute the world. It has a height of about 8,000 miles, and from the top of it the Ganga flows in all directions. It may be taken to be a field of influence at the peak from which knowledge flows out in all the four sides to bless all the islands. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.